Hey guys, I want to do just a quick little video to show you a couple questions that have come up so far today. Both of them are involving cross sections and how they look on your modules. So if you look, I am in Interpreting Earth's Clues. That's our module for the week. I'm on page 2, and as I scroll down, this is the one that starts with question number 1, because there wasn't a question on the first page. So the first thing I just want to tell you about is this right here, because I think there are some people that are looking at this and saying, oh my gosh, I don't know what that is. All this is it's showing you how deep the crust is in these certain spots. So if you look, this is called a cross section from point 1 to point 2. Point 1 corresponds right here to the left of your graph. Point 2 corresponds over here to the right of your graph. And as you go along the line, that is what is showing you down here. So as you look, you're starting at point 1 out here in the middle of the ocean is about 4,000 feet below sea level because it is negative 4,000. And then as you move along, this would be moving along the ocean all the way until right before we get to South America, right here, corresponds right here. There's a little dip. So that was called a trench where the land went really far down. Same thing when we go across the middle here. This brown area is showing you mountains, so you can see the elevation goes up until the highest part of the mountains in that area, and if I follow it over, is about 4,000 feet above sea level. Okay, you guys, the second thing I want to show you is just a really quick thing about cross sections. Again, I'm on page 2. As I scroll down and I get to this first map here, when you hit the data type button and like turn on your earthquakes, you're going to be able to, first of all, you're going to be able to play it so you can see all the different earthquakes that are happening. Up here in the top corner, there's a key, so it'll show you what each of those different colors mean. But one thing it's going to ask you to do when you get down to number 8 is draw a cross section, which you see down here in the bottom right corner. It says draw a cross section. Should be simple, but on the iPad it will not let you. And I understand that, and I will take that into account when I'm grading for you guys. If you scroll down a little bit, right below question 7, those of you working on a computer, if you watch this video right here, it will show you how to make a cross section. So you can do it if you're on a computer. If you're not on a computer, I'm just going to show you really quick what number 8 might look like for you. So you're going to hit this brown take a snapshot button. And it should pop up with a drawing of South America. If it does not, go back out into that map we were looking at and move it around till you can see South America. But what you're going to do is you're over here on the right side where it is telling you to, while on your cross section, to do this, just skip that part, go down to the bottom where it says on a snapshot, draw a picture of what you think pieces of Earth are doing as they come together beneath the surface, So if you look over here, the 1, 2, 3, 4th thing down is a pencil to allow you to draw. Just draw some arrows. If you think of this as puzzle pieces, if there's a puzzle piece over here and there's a puzzle piece over here, tell me, what do you think those puzzle pieces are doing? Are they moving toward each other? So if I draw arrows pointing towards each other, maybe you think one is moving up and one is moving down. Maybe you think that they both are pushing up, so I would draw 2 up arrows. Whatever you think they are doing, just go ahead and draw your arrows and then hit done. And then what should happen is your screen will save right there. So again, you cannot do the cross section, but do the parts that you can. And as always, you guys, if you are having questions, please contact me. I'm here to help.